who is speaking?
So I am sending lot many things to you. Are you in position to look at that?
Who is speaking?
Are you looking at my videos and my communications, or you are not in position, or you are busy somewhere else?
I normally see my
Huh?
messages. I normally see my messages.
Haven't you seen any of my video?
Whose
Yes or no?
video? Whose video?
I keep on sending to you.
I don't see, if it's WhatsApp, I don't see much.
No, it's not on WhatsApp. It's on aratt.ai.
I see. Aratt.ai also I don't use.
Huh?
Aratt.ai also I don't use.
No, but you are on aratt.ai.
Yeah, I just wanted to see how it is, but I don't use it.
Why don't you use it? What are you doing nowadays?
I'm trying to do some software development. I know who's speaking.
Mathili Saran Gupta, your
Oh,
your batchmate in MTech. Huh? You have forgotten
oh my
me.
goodness.
Huh?
What a surprise call. No,
You have forgotten me.
no, I didn't forget you. The only thing is I'm feeling it myself.
Then how can you forget me? Huh?
No, I don't forget. I don't forget my old friends.
Huh?
I don't forget my old friends.
Okay. So
So how is everything? How are you?
I am absolutely fine. First of all, I would like to wish you very, very happy Deepavali to you.
Oh, same to you. Very, very happy Diwali to everyone
And
at home.
secondly, I would like to say that you should, whether you want a great India, good India,
Yeah, definitely. I am very patriotic.
do you want a India in which each and every citizen of the country should have the right of
Yes,
employment, and that employment would be of your potential?
right. That's very. In fact, I have been seriously thinking on those lines for a long time, but without much of no bright ideas coming up.
Okay. Secondly, you will get education to
Yeah.
realize your potential of employment.
Okay.
So you will not be getting your BTech, MTech, whatever rubbish you have read so far.
Yeah, I understand. In fact, I'm going to spend almost half of my time at my native place. So there, I will like to train these youngsters, school boys and first college boys.
Basically, if you do it, it's difficult for any individual. But if you take a pledge and you become 100 crore,
Mm.
then you will get the power, you will change everything.
Yeah,
Have
that's
you read that? Have you read that Swami Vivekanand said that we have to rechannelize our energy?
right.
If we could do that,
Mm.
India will become happy,
Yeah,
prosperous, and Vishwaguru.
yeah, that's always there. So but it's a governmental effort.
Sounderajan, our biggest problem
Mm.
that Britishers they divided and ruled us.
Yeah,
Our politicians they are still dividing us and
yeah,
ruling us.
that's true.
So instead of channelizing energy for integration,
Mm.
they are distributing, destroying your energy.
Yeah, that's we have inherited that kind of system.
Sundarajan, if I tell you two simple steps,
Mm.
would you do for yourself?
Yeah, but it suits me definitely. I will do.
Okay. So first thing you have to do that whatever you are doing for your
Mm.
livelihood, you have to do it with full dedication, devotion, with
Mm.
best of your ability.
Mm.
Would you do? Whatever you are doing for your livelihood, you will do with best of your capability.
Yeah, I'm trying to do, but
No. I mean, it is a full prescription. So after, whenever you go out with any work, do it with perfection, do it with the full dedication, so that the result of your work would be favorable to you.
yeah, I try to do whatever things I'm
No,
doing, but
what I am saying that do the way I am saying, right?
okay.
Uh, Once you have finished your work,
Uh,
whosoever is available there,
uh,
who might be benefited by your dedicated
uh,
work, or even otherwise people available nearby, you
uh,
have to collect them and you have to watch a video in which it has been shown that
uh,
how transformed Bharat would be,
okay.
right?
Yeah,
And
I
then you
understand.
have to ask a question to the present people present over there.
Uh,
Would they like to have this kind of Bharat, Acha Bharat?
uh,
Okay?
yeah,
And they have to take a pledge.
okay.
And that video has to be recorded, and
Uh,
I will be publishing that video on Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel also. I,
uh,
I recommend that the people, those who take the pledge, they should join Crime Free Bharat mission also, right?
actually, one major problem I faced in that the crime-free Bharat channel was that language, because every post is in Hindi. And, very difficult
For
to.
you, I will be creating dedicated videos in English.
Okay,
They will be while I am conversing to you.
okay,
Moreover, you can use now lot many software or AI tools available who can very efficiently translate whatever is
yeah,
being said in
yeah.
Hindi.
I try to Google Translate a lot of
No,
messages, but
no,
it becoming
not only that. Now even it will be reading with the equal proficiency in English. I was surprised my own video, those were in Hindi.
uh,
I saw those video in English,
but
and
it's not perfect. It doesn't translate idiomatic phrases. It's
it doesn't
only
make
rough
difference.
translation.
If you are getting the essence, you should be happy with that. Why you are
Uh,
getting into the nut bolts? I am not talking any great thing which is requiring any nut bolts. There is no likelihood of
uh,
any distortion. I am talking
right.
of the very simple stage, right? Steps.
Right.
So if the people take the pledge of the good Bharat, they
Uh,
will get the good Bharat, and the contour of the Bharat is being defined. And if you want a direct English conversation, my
uh,
all communications are recorded.
okay.
So this conversation is also being recorded, and since it is in English, you can hear this conversation,
Okay.
right? Number one. Number two, nowadays we are so busy, we don't get the time to meet our own people. Is it correct or not?
Yeah, and everybody is in their own.
Everybody is busy, and
Uh,
busy still you है ना suffering, and
uh,
not in position to meet out the commitment and things like that.
right.
Everybody is living in a tension, under stress, and now people are suffering with the sugar and blood pressure also, and
Yeah,
lot
yeah,
many people are
yeah.
suffering from cancer as well.
Yeah, unfortunately, that's also true.
So, Mr. Sundarajan,
Yeah.
we are giving you the second prescription, that
Uh,
make a list of the people, those who are close to you, maybe your family members, maybe your relative, maybe your friends, maybe your neighbors, or maybe people connected or came in contact with you so far and still are in your contact. You have to make a roster of the people whom you consider they are your own people. Would you do that?
Yeah, I have very limited number of people
Yeah,
whom
yeah.
I
So,
interact
I
with, so
mean,
I
the
can
number
do that.
doesn't matter. But if you are having a big number, basically the roster, one will get the chance and after, say, it is getting the turn into the roster. Say, for example, if there are 54 people and they are inviting their own people on every Sunday, one
Oh,
person will get
okay,
opportunity in 1 year time.
okay.
If there is 108 people, then
Mm.
the person will be taking 2 years to get an opportunity.
Yeah, yeah, right.
If there is a 216, one
That's
individual will get opportunity in 4 years.
okay.
So every week you are getting opportunity to meet your people,
Mm.
whether you get Acha Bharat or not. At least your
Yeah,
own relationship with your own people will improve a lot. Is that correct or not?
yeah. Actually, it is also a need of the time because everybody is forgetting their own circle. Everybody is busy with
Everybody
their
is forgetting, not getting
uh,
time to get into contact.
people,
while
people,
while you will
people
be meeting the
interaction.
people of your choice, your kith and kin, it will be a great stress reliever also.
Yeah, people are not giving importance to relationships nowadays. So they're basically going for virtual relationships nowadays.
Very true, very true, very true. So that we have to invite the people
Uh,
very respectfully
yeah,
on our term. And when we say on people, it means our own family members, is our own relative, our own friends, our own neighbors, and
yeah,
people so far connected with us, people like me. Okay?
yeah, yeah. Right, I got the point.
Right. So on rotation, then you have to see one video which is explaining in detail how great transformed Bharat would be. And then we have to ask the question to the people, those who are there, whether they want a transformed Bharat or not.
Yeah, who will say no?
Nobody will say no, and they have to take a pledge for good Bharat. And when people will be keep on repeating it on every Sunday, that will be helping out to spread the message. And they have to join Crime Free Bharat Mission app. That app is creating 6 merit list. First merit list is of a blaze. Second merit list of a mohalla in a town. Third merit list is of the town. Fourth merit list of a district. Fifth merit list of a state. And sixth merit list is of the whole country. And this merit list is only meant for what? It is meant for
Yeah,
adding your own people, inviting your own people,
okay.
taking a pledge for the great India, right?
Okay, yeah, I got the point.
Yeah, by doing so, the person who will be number one in blaze, he will become sarpancha. The
Okay, that's
person who will be the first in mohalla, he will become councillor, parshad.
okay.
The
That's
person who is number one in a town, he will become mayor. Person who will be number one in the district, he will become Jila Panchayat Adhyaksh. He will be the district executive chief of the local self-government of the district, right?
okay.
If someone comes number one in the state, he will be chief minister of the state. The person who will be the second and third, he will become deputy chief minister. the person who will come in the merit list of the 15 to 45, they will become minister in the state government. And the person who will come in the merit list of 70 to 402, such person will become the MLA, member of Legislative Assembly of your state.
It's all a number game, finally.
It's a number game, but it is a transformation game as well. Without going anywhere, without compromising on your work, without compromising on your relationship, because your relationship with your own kith and kin will improve or not?
Yeah.
Whether you will perform your job with the lesser stress, with the better quality, and your financial position will improve. Is that correct or not?
No, your mind will be stress-free, but at the same time, once that is increased, a lot of politics will come into play.
No politics. You are just taking pledge of the Acha Bharat, Great Bharat. Where is the politics here?
No, once the number increases in the level...
So number of what? They are your own people. You are adding your own people. It is not a unknown people. You are not supposed to add unknown people. You are adding your own people known to you.
Yeah, that will be 10 people.
But which politics? Here there is no politics, because here there are already models which will be giving you the transformed Bharat. Okay. So it is a transformed great Bharat without any politics. Rather, all politicians, they will be defeated. Though they will be spending crores of rupees and would be purchasing boats, at that same time, after spending so much money, they will all got defeated.
Once that interaction reaches some point of debate and ideologies, then people will start differing.
You are talking of only one ideology. That is great
even
India.
Within the family, people will differ on points.
People will not be in position to digress or do anything meaningless, because we will be changing the business rule of the Vidhan Sabha, that is state legislative assembly or parliament. So they even cannot discuss anything in parliament or state assembly unless it is debated through or refined through the 5 channels. So even with the Mr. Sounderajan, after becoming number 1 in the country, even after taking oath of the Prime Minister, Sounderajan, who is the Prime Minister of the country, I challenge he would not be in position to do any bad thing. Because whatever is to be brought into the parliament or Vidhan Sabha, that will be refined through the 5 stages. And because of the refinement process, you can't play politics. So it will be changing the whole game.
It's a long process, but I think
it is not a long process. It is, if you do your job religiously, it may happen in 9 days. Should I explain?
It's exponential.
It is exponential. If I talk to the 9 people like Sounderajan, 1 plus 9 will become 10. And we have taken the pledge that for good India, I will continue this pledge for the 9 days. And I am trying to contact, I am trying to invite, I am trying to do my job with the best of my efficiency. I am not doing anything extra. So I am basically doing my best, things which is I am doing for my livelihood. I am not doing any extra activity. I am just using that opportunity to take a pledge of the great India, number 1. Number 2, when you are inviting your own people on the basis of the rotation, probably you might get opportunity in a year or so. So at that cost, you imagine what kind of the healthy relationship you will be having with your own kith and kin. Is that correct or not?
Yeah, but cannot say 100%, but okay.
Yeah. So for this gain, talking to your people and taking a pledge of great India and multiplying by 10, is it a very big work? So 10 people taking or pledge for that 9 days, then 10 into 10 will become 100, 100
the
into
chain,
10 will become 1000,
no,
1000.
like that MLM, that chain will break anytime, and we have no
Chain,
control.
why the chain should break? Here you are
That's
not playing a gambling. Why the chain will break? Tell me why.
no, by nature, that is how systems work.
So you forget about the chain. You just talk about the 9 days only, right? Now let me explain the model. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 9 times, it becomes 100 crore. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's talk about this model. Out of the 100 crore, out of 144 crore people of India, we are only talking about the 100 crore. It means 44 crore people are already left out, right?
Yeah.
On the 9th day, 90 crore people would be joining. These 90 crore people need not to add anybody because we have achieved our target of 100 crore. We are not running this chain endlessly. We are running this chain only for 9 days, right? It is only for 9 days. Because your population will get exhausted, so obviously you can't run it indefinitely. At the most you can run for the 10 days.
Right.
Maximum 10 days, because in 10 days you will cross your population.
Yeah.
So you are getting my point. So
Right.
we are targeting only 9 days, right? So 9th day 90 crore people are joining. Now you tell me 90 crore plus 44 crore. It means out of 144 crore people, 134 crore people need not to join even a single person.
Yeah,
Is that correct?
Need not even achieve 90. Even if it achieve 10,
Okay.
10 crores, it will have that.
Just a minute.
that
Just a
damage
minute.
effect.
Just a minute, Sounderajan. Now the 9 crore people who will be joining on 8th day, they have to join or take the pledge or spread the message to the only 10 people. And these 10 people, they are your family member. They are your relative.
Yeah.
They are your friends. They are your neighbors. So you are not going to the unknown person. For getting the transform Bharat, क्या 10 लोगों को जोड़ना, do you feel that adding 10 people is a big deal? If you are getting transform Bharat at the same time, if you are in the merit list, you will get the opportunity to become the even prime minister of the country or chief minister of the country or minister of the state or minister of the center or maybe जो है ना MLA or member of parliament. Is that difficult for this gain? For
In
this
theory,
gain, adding 10 people, is it difficult? Out of 140 crore people, only 9 crore has to do this. Okay, now let's come back to 7th day. On 7th day, 90 lakh people are joining. They are having 8th and 9th day. It means only 90 lakh people, they have to add 20 people for this major gain. On the 6th day, 9 lakh people are joining. They are having 3 days, so they have to add 30 people. On 5th day, only 90,000 people are joining. They are having 4 days, so they have to join 40 people. 4th day, only 9,000 people are joining.
I understood the theory.
So now you talk of your return. आपसे what we are asking from you? Do your job sincerely. Is it difficult? And if you will do your job sincerely, would it be helping you or not?
Yeah,
It will be helping you. Second thing, we are saying invite your own people. So at least that will improve your relationship. If even अच्छा इंडिया नहीं भी होता है, are you losing anything?
Yeah, that's like
नहीं नहीं, any negative consequence to you? I am
not
asking,
at all.
even if you don't get it, are you losing anything?
No, not at all. That is.
So it is, in any case, it's a win-win situation. You are.
So we'll have to present it in such a way that it appeals
No, you have to present
everyone.
you have to present to your people.
Yeah,
Though you are connected with your own family member, your own friends, your own relative, this should not be difficult to you.
No, but
Even if they, just a minute, even if they don't agree with you, somebody else will be also approaching, somebody else will also be approaching. So the person may not listen it in one go. Somebody else will tell, probably then he will listen. Someone might listen on the 10th person, somebody might 1000. And once it has become the order of the day, you need not to tell anybody, you need not to convince. They will come to you and they will say, I want to become.
And then we have to see that further down it goes without breaking.
You need not to look at the breaking. You look at the doing the only two things. Do your job sincerely for your own benefit. And make a roster and meet regularly on Sunday. That too on the basis of the roster.
That commitment we can't expect from everybody because
let it not be. What you will lose? If you if you are not in position to add even one people, still you are in 134 crore people. If you could not do even one, then you are in 134 crore people. Don't do. If it will not happen with you, somebody else will do. Whoever wants to become the Prime Minister, he will do it.
The second level, third level, it's very difficult to monitor one sitting number increases.
App will be helping you. App will be creating a merit list. App will be giving you the post. App will be showing that what is your merit in the whole village or mohalla or town.
The app will keep track of all the members.
It will keep track of your group basically. So basically there are 4 levels of the group. You and below you 3 people. So if you add one person, you will get say 100 marks, right? The person whom you added, you are supposed to pursue with him. If he add somebody, he will get 100 marks and you will get 15 marks, right?
Okay.
Right. Number 2, if number 2, second level, if he add one person, he will get 100. The first layer will get 15 and you will get 10. Your third layer, he will get 100. The first layer will get 15. Second layer will get 10.
Okay. Some system.
Third layer will get say 10, then 5. And then that is the end of it. And whoever is getting marks, they are converted into the group. It will help you to make your roster. It will communicate for you that the meeting is at this place. So it will allocate you help you to allocate which place you are supposed to or you should meet. It will help you to in making n number of the decision. So you need not to run from pillar to post. Everything will be helped by the app, and app is creating your merit list also.
Okay.
Do you know I have got one political party registered. I am the national president of the Shrestha Atmanirbhar Bharat party. Do you know this?
No.
No. Let me tell you, in November 2024, this Shrestha Atmanirbhar Bharat party, I got registered and I am the national president for it.
Okay, very good.
And it is not meant for doing any politics.
Okay.
It will not take any decision.
Okay.
All the decision is automatic based on the merit. So it is not deciding who will get ticket. Ticket will reach to the person who will be in merit.
I understand that.
Yeah, the same way, if you are say number one in state, सरपंच जो है ना का oath लेने जाना है, that will somebody will come and request you to please come and take oath of the सरपंचा. If you are जो है ना number one in your mohalla, you will become councillor.
It's a totally a different political system.
It is not a political system, it's a national system. It is not politics. It is nationalism.
Ultimately, it merges into politics.
We refuse to say politics. हम इसे राजनीति नहीं कहेंगे, हम इसे राष्ट्रनीति कहेंगे.
Okay, that's
the same thing. Whatever you are saying, it is the same thing. But since the word politics becomes so dirty,
it becomes negative.
Yeah, it creates negative vibration, and we don't wish to do that, right?
Yeah, right, very right.
So, Sounderajan, my dear friend, wish you very, very happy Deepavali. Whether I have effectively communicated the need of doing your job sincerely?
Yeah, right, definitely.
Have I very successfully communicated that you please make the roster of your own people, meet them regularly, so that your own relationship with your own people will improve? Is that correct?
Yeah, but is there any template with which we can start?
It is in Hindi, so it could be translated, or I will translate for you.
Okay,
and I will make a presentation to you about the template. Template is very simple.
Okay.
I want to create a great India for myself and for my children. It is not saying for nation.
So now you have to tell them the exact purpose and the final ultimate goal.
Purpose to give you good India. Exact purpose is to give you the employment of your potential, and that too matter of your fundamental right. Right? The purpose is to give the fundamental right of food, and that will include the milk, doodh, dahi, ghee and everything. The purpose is to give you the fundamental right of health, where all pathies will work together in integrated fashion, and every Indian will be having one dedicated health volunteer. Right?
Okay.
The requirement is to give you that healthy, happy and prosperous nation. So each and every individual will become prosperous. These are the 5 fundamental rights which are being given. And then you are getting a transformed administrative arrangement. आज के जो IAS, IPS हैं वो आपके नहीं रहेंगे. इसमें जो है they will be totally transformed service at your residence. If you some crime has committed with you, you have to press a button. A trained volunteer will come at your place and will get your offense registered. You need not to go to any police station. Do you understand it? Or the 5 offenses of perjury is also being created. So in future, if you lodge a false FIR, you will be rotting in the jail. If you are जो है ना given a wrong जो है statement, that will be a great offense, heinous offense.
Yeah, it should be like
police is if writing a imaginary statement or creating imaginary statement from her own mind, that will be a great offense. They will lose their job.
Yeah, it should
they
be like
cannot
that.
do the false investigation as it is being done nowadays.
Yeah.
Even your advocates, they cannot do the false practice.
That's,
at present, they are charging hefty fees and doing all kind of the nasty work. Is that correct or not?
Very right.
21 technologies, they will be working together to capture all kind of the evidence which police cannot even dream of it.
Yeah.
And then nowadays you are rotting in a system in which it takes years and years and you don't get justice. In the new arrangement, you need not to go any court. There will be distributed video-based trial system from your home, you are likely to get justice within 30 days. Do you want this?
Obviously, it's a very utopian thing.
What is the OTPN? What is the difficulty in making it happen? You have to just do your job sincerely, and you have to make a roster and meet your kith and kin. Is that difficult for you?
No, it's at a single person level.
Have I asked anything extra from you?
No, that idea is good.
No, where's the problem? Rest of the things I have created. I have created the technology to make it happen.
Okay.
So it will happen without. I have created app. I have registered the party. I am giving the ticket at your residence. What is the problem? Where is the problem?
So we have to limit our activities only to our individual group level.
No, you are not getting my point. Say the moment you will add somebody, app will be creating your own group. You cannot go beyond your group.
That's what I was saying.
No, that is already there. Say later on, the people who will be adding more number of the people, they will get the opportunity to become that in charge of a particular area also. But they cannot contact the people beyond their area. So, are you getting my point? If you have not become that any in charge of the area, then you are limited to this 4 level of your group.
Okay.
If you will become in charge of a area by virtue of coming into the merit.
Okay.
Matlab Maithili Sangupta cannot make you.
So we have to explain this to everybody.
You don't bother about you. You just bother about 2 things. Whatever you are doing, do with the great sincerity. Make a roster of your people and meet regularly. If you can't do anything, no worry, because still you are in 134 crore people. So I will advise you download Crime Free Bharat Mission app and become its member.
Is it there in that Google Play Store?
No, I will send a link.
Okay.
Right? Basically, a new map is already in making. I think it will take few months to be in place. Till then, we are managing with the Kutum app, and the Crime Free Bharat Mission is loaded on the Crime Free Bharat, this Kutum app, right?
Okay.
So, basically, you need not to think of because you are not doing anything which is for the others.
Okay.
I am not asking anything to do for this, that. I am just asking, please do your job sincerely, please meet regularly, invite your people, develop the good relationship with them.
Right.
I hope it is beneficial to you. Is it beneficial or not?
That apart,
even if great and grand transformed Bharat doesn't realize, still you are a gainer in your limited sense.
Yeah,
you are gainer or not?
Yeah, it will enhance the social activity of everybody involved.
Correct. And in turn, it will demolish all politics. In turn, all politicians, they will be defeated. In turn, you will be winning even without asking for your vote.
Yeah.
That has been already inbuilt philosophy of the app.
Okay.
Because you need not to, even when you are getting a ticket and you are filing a nomination, you are not expected to tell anybody, please vote for me.
Yeah.
So who will be telling? Maithili Sangupta will be telling, he is your Chandragupta. Go and vote for him. Not only vote for him, rather take a morning ferry and evening ferry and say, Sounderajan is my Chandragupta and I will vote for him.
Right.
So it is the voter who will be taking a pledge for you without you are asking for it. Because Maithili Sangupta would be asking for it.
It's a organic election system. It's an organic system.
Yeah, it is a highly organic system. You have to lose nothing. Still you will get grand transformed Bharat. I will request you to kindly use nowadays even this automatically. If you want to listen my video in English, it will be available to you in English. Do you know that or not?
I want to use anything like that.
I was even surprised when I heard my own video in English because I had spoken in Hindi.
What is that app?
No up. It's happening with the YouTube itself.
Okay, okay.
Matlab YouTube, you ask that you want to listen in English. It will
Oh,
you will listen me in proficiently in English.
oh,
Not even a single Hindi word.
I don't know. I haven't tried that.
No, I haven't done anything from my side.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
own videos, when I started playing in English, I was surprised.
It's just like that translate facility. Nothing else was there.
It is not my voice. It is a translation. Voices of someone else, but it is
Okay.
me who is speaking.
Correct, correct.
Okay. So Sounderajan, once again
Okay.
wish you very very happy Deepavali. We have
Thank you,
talked for the
Sam.
long, and
Yeah.
I expect that you will start working on it for your own benefit.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Matram, Jai Gurudev.
Yeah,